Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make baklava sweet at home. The secret to truly delicious baklava is mastering the syrup. We'll focus on creating a simple, yet flavorful, syrup that will infuse your pastry with the perfect amount of sweetness. Remember, the temperature of your syrup versus your baklava is crucial for optimal absorption and a delightful texture. Let's get started on crafting that golden, sticky goodness. To make your perfect baklava syrup, combine 2 cups of sugar with 1.5 cups of water in a saucepan. Stir until the sugar dissolves, then add a slice of lemon or 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. This small addition is vital for preventing the sugar from crystallizing. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer gently for about 10 to 12 minutes. Afterward, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. Now, let's assemble the baklava. You'll need thin phyllo dough, cut to fit your baking pan. Brush each individual layer generously with melted butter before stacking. This creates those wonderful, flaky layers. Once your baklava is assembled with your chosen nut filling, cut it into diamond or square shapes. Bake it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 45 to 60 minutes until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color. The final, magical step is sweetening your baklava. As soon as your baklava comes out of the oven, while it's still piping hot, immediately pour the completely cool syrup evenly over the entire surface. This temperature difference is key for the baklava to soak up all that delicious sweetness. Let it rest for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even overnight, to fully absorb the syrup. Garnish with chopped pistachios and enjoy. And for more great deals, including a link to that fantastic water bottle, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.